Hi, this is Kritam. I'm here to do my assignment of 303, wireless network and security. My assignment is mainly based on finding a different um snipping tools for WLAN connection. So uh, I have I find four different snipping tools for finding a different available Wi-Fi near my range. So so like some of them are Wi-Fi Explorer Lite, um, iTumbler, DR Wi-Fi, and Netisport. So I choose one of the Wi-Fi Explorer Lite for this case. As we can see in the screen, for Wi-Fi Explorer Lite, we can find a different Wi-Fi available in near my range. Some of them are WebDOS 1090, WebOS 680. So these are some of the Wi-Fi that is in my range. And in this among these, the phone Wi-Fi and the Telstra here are open one, and other are other are just they are in the privacy under the WPA or WPA connection, so they are locked. So we need a passport to access to that network. So thank you for watching my video.